The Wizard of Oz. Dorothy and her little dog, Toto, lived with her uncle and aunt at their farm in Kansas. One day, a terrible cyclone blew up. Everyone ran to hide in the cellar. Before Dorothy could go there, the house whirled around and blew away. It landed with a crash in the land of Oz far away. Dorothy and Toto got up, looking dazed. When they came out, some small people came smiling to Dorothy, saying, "Welcome to the land of the Munchkins. Thank you, my dear. You have saved us from the Wicked Witch of the East." Dorothy saw that the house had crushed someone under it when it fell. Only a pair of silver shoes could be seen. This was the Wicked Witch of the East. She wished to get back to Kansas. The Munchkins took the help of the Good Witch of the North. "Take the silver shoes of the Wicked Witch of the East," said the Good Witch, "and go to the Wizard of Oz, who lives in the Emerald City." Dorothy and Toto walked along the yellow brick road to the Emerald City. On the way, she saw a scarecrow standing in a cornfield, asking for help. Helping him down, she asked him what he wanted. "I'm made of straw," said the scarecrow, "and they didn't give me a brain. I'm Dorothy. You should come with me to the Wizard of Oz," said Dorothy. "He's sure to help you." The scarecrow joined her and Toto on their journey. In a while, they came upon a tin woodcutter. A can of oil lay beside him, but he was so stiff with rust that he couldn't reach it. "Can you oil me, please?" he mumbled. Dorothy helped him, and soon he could move. "Ah, that's nice," he sighed. "If only I had a heart too, I'd be so happy." He could walk now, so he joined the others. Dorothy told him that the Wizard of Oz would surely get him a heart. "Yes, I'm sure he can get me a heart," said the tin woodcutter. As they walked along, a lion roared and tried to frighten Toto. Dorothy was very angry. "Shame on you for jumping out at a small puppy." The poor lion sat down and cried. He had lost all his courage and was a big coward. "I was trying to be brave," wept the lion. "You had better come along with us to the Wizard of Oz," said Dorothy. "We all are going to seek his help." The lion was very happy to trot along beside the others. As they went along, helping one another on the way, they became very good friends. The Wicked Witch of the West wanted to punish them for killing her sister. That is, the Wicked Witch of the East. When they overcame many difficulties, she sent her winged monkeys to catch them. The monkeys grabbed them and took them to the witch's castle. The witch imprisoned them all, and she made Dorothy her slave. But Dorothy was so angry that one day she threw a large pail of water at the witch. "What have you done, you wretched girl?" screamed the witch. And the witch began to shrink and melt right in front of Dorothy's eyes. In a while, only a puddle of water remained there. Dorothy set all her friends and the other slaves free. They all thanked her and escaped. The friends reached the Emerald City the next morning. The Wizard of Oz received them very kindly. They all told him about their troubles and pleaded for his help. "I will certainly help you all," said the wizard. Because Dorothy had got rid of the two wicked witches. "I shall help the others first and then Dorothy," said the wizard. First, he gave the scarecrow a brain. Then the tin woodcutter got his heart and was delighted. Next, he made the lion brave. The lion rode joyously. "And you, my dear, the silver shoes that you are wearing are actually magical. Just look at them and wish for the place you want to go to, and you will be floating off in a big balloon," said the wizard, smiling at Dorothy. The next morning, Dorothy picked Toto up in her arms and wished on the silver shoes. Immediately, she was in a big balloon, floating in the air. She waved her friends goodbye. Whiz! And there she was, with her uncle and aunt. They were overjoyed to see Dorothy back. Dorothy could not stop telling the stories of her adventures, and Toto barked and wagged his tail happily.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.